The F3300 is more than an incremental printer. It's a step change.
One of the primary goals for the F3300 was throughput. We wanted to get it at least twice as fast as our other systems to make a real difference in the workflow for the customer.
After listening to a lot of our production customers and what they want to do and where they see FDM going, the big value they're going to see with this printer is lowering their cost per part. And they're doing that through getting higher production rates.
We have multiple extrusion heads. If you have a failure, you can load a redundant tool and continue your print. The F3300 material dryers are a game changer. It'll set an appropriate temperature. We have injected dry air to lower the relative humidity of that environment, which then brings that material to its optimum mechanical properties.
The F3300 is by far the most sophisticated FDM system we've ever made.